Today we're showing you a 2002 Kubota MX5000 tractor. It's four-wheel drive with the front end loader. Tractor has approximately 1,900 hours on it. Traded this from the second owner. Tractor was used for deer plots and rototilling, so forth, and also used for the loader. Tractor does show some wear as far as cosmetically, mechanically. Everything seems to work on it. It's got a front grill guard here. You can see the hood is bumped up a little bit here, as you can see. Bucket's in decent shape. It does have a crack here in the front, but it's still functional. It's got good tires on it. Front tires have probably 50% tread life remaining. Back tires are nearly new. You can still see the imprint there in the tread. Power steering in the tractor. It's got a gear drive transmission. You got a 4-speed right there in the center. High-low reverse here on the side. Four-wheel drive engagement lever down here. Differential lock over here. 3-point lever and your PTO lever over here. Joystick right up there to operate your loader. Foldable rollover bar. These back tires are loaded for counterweight, gives you better traction. Got the telescopic 3-point arms as well as the stabilizers back here. 540 PTO. It is missing the drawbar and the top link. It's got the toolbox here. Some extra work lights up here in the roll bar. As you can see, cosmetically it's not perfect, but it does run and work good.